today we're gonna put together a charcuterie board. Some of our cheeses next. This one, if anyone can pronounce that, help me. Brevois. I don't know, not an easy one. Doesn't roll off my tongue, but it's delicious. I can tell because it's really stinky.
Again, now we're going to move into some of the competition. We want to, you should have received a cutting board, a knife set. We gave you the ingredients. Start. We're going to say on your mark, get set, go, and we're going to time you for 6 minutes. Now, I know Brent and other people have already started. That's fine.
That looks excellent. Now, what's the dip in the middle? What do you have for a dip today?
Yummy! It's ranch veggie dip.
We're quickly going to take a look at everyone's board. And yeah, excellent. I like the spiders. Extra
little popcorn, little Cheerios. That's using stuff. I like that. That's I like the blueberries. Fantastic. I like that one.
Beautiful.
I like how you got it more in a wave. The color looks good. All right, so Chef, do you have your top two?
Meredith and Bob.
I had Cindy and Meredith.
Oh.
So guess who wins?
So guess who wins? You tell me,
Meredith.
Chef.
So the winner is Meredith.
Yay,
So Meredith, thank you everyone. Enjoy your night.